Okay, Bismillah, right. Okay, folks, welcome back to our last minute revision on calculated questions for the EDEXCEL 1 MAO 2H syllabus for the calculated paper for tomorrow. Okay, right. Question 25. Diagram not accurately drawn that has a meaning. That means basically do not start to measure this diagram. Start measuring A to B. We say OAB. So O to A to B is a sector of a circle which is basically like a slice, like a pizza slice. Center O, angle AOB is 60. This is 60. O to A is equal to O to B. That should be quite obvious because that's the radius of the circle. Work out the length of the arc AB. Give your answer in terms of pi. Okay, we've got to work out a length of AB, and it must be in terms of pi. So let's have a look first of all what we're looking at. We need to work out the length of this line here. Now this is the circumference of a circle, but only part of the circumference of a circle. So let's have a look at our original formula. So the circumference formula is equal to circumference is equal to normally 2 times by the pi. We're going to leave pi all the way through to the end of the answer. This is mean by leaving in terms of pi. Time by the radius, that's normally for circumference of a circle. But this is part of a circle. So we're going to multiply by that part. So we're going to have this fraction, we're going to have 60 out of 360. So it's this fraction of this circumference. So let's move on. Now let's start putting some values in and start simplifying it. Circumference is 2. We leave the pi in there because it's going to be in terms of pi. We times that by the radius. The radius is 12. Here's the radius here. The radius is 12. And then we multiply that by the 60 over 360. Okay. Now, what we need to do, we need to simplify all of this and take into consideration that the pi must stay there. So now what do we have here? So 60 divided by 60 is 1. 360 divided by 60 is 6. So we have 1/6 here. Now, 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we're doing cross cancelling and vertically cancelling first. So now what we're left with on top is we write down circumference is equal to 2 times by the pi times by another 2 times by lots of 1s. So the final answer should be circumference equals 2 times by pi times by 2. 2 times by 2 is 4. So it gives you an answer of 4 pi. So that should be our answer. That's finished. So the circumference equals 4 pi centimeters to finish it off. Okay, folks. Now this question is worth 3 marks. Nice, easy 3 marks for understanding the circumference formula and adjusting it by bit, putting everything in there. Remember, this value here, this pi symbol, stays the same all the way through because they want the answer in terms of pi. So pi is coming all the way through, and in my final answer, here it is. Okay, folks. See you in the next question, inshallah. Right.